Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollarz. Today we're going to be playing in my Tiny Tuesday binder with $30. So today is August 19th and I just want you guys to know that I am your #1 fan. Okay, so we are going to decide who's joining the lineup today with rolling a D8. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, so this one is by my friend Alexis over at Dying Outlaw Games and Budgets. She hit 1,000 followers. Woo! So happy for her. So we're gonna add her to the lineup. Let's see who else is joining us today. Okay, that's 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, so this is by Beezy's Things. So they are also going to be joining the lineup today. The way that we do Tiny Tuesdays, I have 2 buyback 5s here. So we're gonna roll a D6 and whatever that lands on, that challenge will get 2 bills. Once we have 5 bills in a challenge, we will buy back those bills with one of these 5s over here. So how are you guys doing? How's your Tuesday going? How is your week? I hope, oh, that came down really slow. I hope you guys are having a fantastic week. All right, so this challenge got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can buy these back. I don't think any other challenge has 5 yet, so let's keep going. All right, challenge number 3 has 5 now, so we can buy those ones back with a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go, and that one goes there. Ah, I'm messing everything up, you guys. All right, so I am so excited because last night I got together with Vicky and we went to see that movie together, and it was just so great to hang out with her and go do something fun with her. And we both like horror movies, so I was like, we can be horror movie watching buddies. She does live like not too far, but like it's not convenient to get together necessarily. It's like kind of a hike, but close enough that we can hang out like maybe once a month or once every other month. Okay, so challenge number 1, but with Budgets with Elma, did not get anything. So sad. So we'll have to keep that one around and see if we have any leftover bills that we can use. All right, this challenge is by Tiny Budget Co. and each little acorn is $2. So we got 2 more dollars we can add. So we're just outlining the acorns that are done. So this one has 5, 6, 7, and 8 now. All right, then this challenge by Plan to Save Designs got $6. So 5 and 6. So that movie, I don't know if y'all have seen it or if y'all are planning on seeing it, but it was pretty weird. It wasn't like, I think Vicky and I both agreed that it wasn't quite like horror movie, like we weren't like scared. It definitely had a jump scare in it, and when the jump scare happened, I jumped so hard. I think I scared the guy next to me, because the movie theater was packed. Like, it was a small movie theater, but there was a guy sitting right next to me, and when I jumped, I like went like this, like my arms and my legs flailed out, and I think because I did that, I think I scared the guy next to me, and he ended up jumping, but it wasn't like one of those movies that like lingers in your mind and is like, you know, makes you like not be able to fall asleep that night. Anyways, so we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 with Plan to Save Designs, but it was still a fun movie. It was enjoyable. It was like, honestly, a little bit like, there were like a few moments where it was just like kind of comedic. And Vicky and I were both like laughing, and there were some moments where we were like, ew, like that is so gross. So anyways, if you guys like horror movies or like psychological thriller or whatever, it might be a fun one, but definitely not like horror. All right, so this one had a rollover one, so we were doing 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Oh, we still have a rollover one because each of these little bears is 2. So, but let's see, because we only need 6, actually. No, yeah, 2, 4, 6. Yeah, so we don't even need that rollover one because we're gonna finish this challenge. That's exciting. And I don't have the patience to color. I'm trying to hurry because I have to go soon. I have to get ready to go somewhere. Okay, I'm going on a date, you guys. I'm going on a date, but you can't tell anyone, okay? And yeah, usually I don't talk about it on here, but anyways, it is what it is. It's a 3rd date, so we'll see how it goes. All right, 8, 19, and this has, I don't even know, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. $10. Okay, so our first finish challenge of the day. Alrighty, so we can get on board that savings train, y'all. Let's check out this challenge by my friend Dying Outlaw Games and Budgets, Alexis. We're gonna make each smiley face $2. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we can cross out 1, 2, 3. And that is a great start for that challenge. Then our last challenge here by BZ's Things, each icon we'll just make, yeah, we'll make each icon $1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. These are so cute. Slay today. Yes, we will. We will slay today and every day. Okay, and then we have $1, 2, 3, 4, $5. Let's decide where these $5. Let's give some to Budget with Elma because she didn't get any today. So let's do $4. Each little bee is $2, so we can cross out 2 little bees. And we got in this challenge 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, and then we have $1 left. Where can we put it? Let's just put it right here since this one is quite a big challenge. Let's just add this rollover one to this one and we'll call it a day. All right, we'll put this one in our saved or our finished challenges bag right here. Yay, because she's so hungry. Look how skinty she is. Okay, so we need to feed her. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and comment and subscribe. And I will see you tomorrow for our scratch and save binder. Bye!